Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to manually make a track volume fade up in Audacity. So guys, first thing is of course record a voice of yourself, and after that just simply select the part that you want to fade up. So pretty much this will be depending on you. Let's say I'm gonna go for this part, and now once you have selected a part, you could go for the effect, and now go for the fading, and you will have here adjustable fade. Now here guys, just make sure to select the fade type as fade up, and now you could just simply adjust the fade over here. So pretty much this will be depending on you, and you could just simply adjust the other settings as well, and you could just simply click preview to hear the sound first. Thanks for watching. See ya. And now once you are satisfied, you could just simply click on apply, and as you can see guys, it will fade up based on your area that you selected. There you go. See ya.